Hi everybody, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today we are talking about the vinyls that we carry that you can sublimate on. Cool, let's just get into it. So what we've got is our Siser Strip Flock, Siser Moonlight Pearl, Siser Glow in the Dark, just Glow in the Dark Siser HTV, our Siser Metal, I'm using silver specifically, and Siser Glitter. Now, the application for all of these is the exact same, so it's really easy to not mess up. It's super easy to do. What you're gonna wanna do first is preheat your substrate to get out all your wrinkles and moisture. After that, you're going to tack down your HTV to your substrate for 1 to 2 seconds, and then you're gonna peel it hot or warm, not cold. The reason for this is you want your HTV to stay in the same place so it's easier to put your sublimation onto them. After that, you're gonna place your mirrored sublimation image onto your vinyl substrate combination thing that we got here, and you're gonna press it for 45 seconds. Almost forgot. The temperature that you're gonna wanna use for this is 356 degrees. You're gonna press for 45 seconds in total. So these specific types of HTV that I chose are what is recommended to sublimate on. The different colors and different types of Siser vinyl may or may not work. Really, you just have to experiment and see on your own if they work or not. All in all though, it turns out really well. If you like a gander here, very bright. See if I can't get closer over here. So here we've got our Strip Flock, Metal, Glow in the Dark, Glitter, and Holographic Moonlight Pearl. It was a super fun process to go through, and after pulling my sublimation off and really looking at them, it's a super cool trick to have up your sleeve just in case you ever, happen to want to do something like that. This can be used in all kinds of ways. There's no one specific thing that this is meant for. I highly recommend trying it and just playing around with it. The only bad thing that could happen, and I don't even consider this a bad thing, is you waste some vinyl and you learn whether or not you can sublimate on it. I see that as an absolute win for everybody, because then you can do all kinds of new stuff. It'll be fun all around, a good time. But yeah, that's kind of all I have for you right now. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.